In this lesson, we'll be learning about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are operators which are used with data types to perform common mathematical operations. First, we'll be initializing four variables, the first being num1, then num2, alpha, and alpha1. We're going to initialize our variable num1 with 10. And we're going to assign num2 with 2, alpha with b, and alpha1 with c. Below this, we'll be writing another variable, ans, short for answer, in which we'll be doing our mathematical operations. The first one we'll be looking at is the multiply operator, num1 multiplied by num2. So as you can see, our mathematical expression is here, and it's getting assigned to ans. In this, the mathematical operation is the multiply, in which we represent in Python by using the asterisk. When we click run, you'll see that it multiplies 10 and 2. To run it, we'll first need to write a print, and then you should see it appear on the screen. Let's comment this, and let's say that it is the multiply operator. The next we're going to look at is the divide operator, which is num1 divided by num2. When you click the run button, you'll see that it makes 5 appear, which is 10 divided by 2. Let's comment this and mark it as the divide operator. ans is equals to, and now we're going to be trying the add operator. For this we use simply the plus sign, num2, add operator, or addition operator. Let's comment this for now. Click run. You'll see that 12 appears, 10 plus 2. Let's now take this hashtag here and comment the entire thing. The next one we'll be doing is the subtract operator. To do that, you do simply num1 minus num2. The minus is the subtraction operator. When you click run, you should see 8 appear, 10 minus 2. Now, let's look at the floor division operator. num1. Now, instead of 1 forward slash like the divide operator, you use 2 forward slashes for the floor division operator. So num1 forward slash num2. When we click run, you see that it appears the same, but when we do a decimal value like say 10.23, you'll see that it appears 5.0, a float. The reason for this is because if we just used 1 forward slash for the divide, then you see that it comes out as a decimal number, a float. But the floor division converts it into a floored number. To change it from a float to an integer, you can use the int int typecasting. num1, floor division, num2. You see that 5 appears without the point 0. This means it's an integer now. Let's comment this and say floor division. We're now going to be trying the exponent operator. To do this, you need to use, rather than 1 multiply, like you did for the multiply operator, you have to write 2. Now, when we click run, you see that it gives us the exponent of this. If we remove this decimal, you see more clearly that it has done 10 exponent 2. Comment this and say exponents. The final one we'll be looking at is the modulus operator. The modulus operator can be written with a percentage sign, num1, then percentage sign num2. When you click run, you see that 0 appears. If we say we wrote 11, you see that the modulus operator outputs a 1. This can be used in various programs to find whether a number is divisible by another number or not. Let's comment this and say floor division. And that's all the operators in Python that we'll be using right now. See you in the next lesson.